All right, guys, we're up here today in the woods again with the sawmill, and we got another piece of nice pine on here. We're gonna finish cutting some of these 12 by 12s from our buddy Phil over there, so he can build his pergola. We're gonna turn the sawmill on, and we're gonna get to it. This log measures, I think it was 16 inches. Let me measure it up. So yeah, you can see 19 inches, but that's with bark, so we'll definitely get a 12 by 12 out of this. No light showing, nice and square. Sweet. already got them loaded up here, but here's those 12 by 12s. Well, they measure 11 and a quarter, but they're for a pergola. Nice timbers. All right, before we pack up the sawmill, I wanted to address something. Somebody in the comments, they wanted to know, and they wanted to see the new tensioner on the new 1220s because they have an older model. And I'm going to show you here without tearing too much apart. I'll show you up in here. What they did is they just brought the system up a little bit, and you can see down in there, this wheel right here is what the belt rides around to pull it up out of the cutthroat. And you can kind of see it up in there. It just moves the belt and the whole assembly out of the way so that you can get this corner free and clear to, you know, use. So that's kind of what it looks like on the new ones. I don't really know how it looked on the old ones, but that's how it is on this one. So I like it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Guys, have fun.